What's up, guys? It's been a while. It's pretty early. I'm on a trip right now with the wifey. Got a surprise. Got my dad's truck and a dolly. We're gonna go pick up another project and kind of, work on the other one too while we're at it. Long story, stuff happened, and that's for another video I can fill in if you guys are interested. But yeah, we're currently at a rest stop. Made it to Maryland. Wifey needed to take a pit stop, so yeah, we're in Maryland right now. It is cold. It just snowed like yesterday, so it is freezing right now. Hopefully the car that we're getting isn't covered in snow. But yeah, let's hopefully get there in about like another hour. Hopefully there's enough daylight because it's pretty early right now. It's probably 5:30. So yeah, catch up with you guys once we get there. Hey, what's up, guys? Finally got here. Like middle of nowhere. Kind of sketchy. Waiting on the guy. He said that the car is behind the green tractor. He pulled it out of the field. Any guesses? My hair's a mess. If you guys know me, you guys know what the car is already. But backstory on this car, the guy said that he bought it from auction. So no title, no engine, no chance, nothing. It's just everything I need to pretty much get fixed. But yeah, just gonna look over the car right now. Let's see. Definitely been sitting for a little while, I'll tell you that. But yeah, let me just get around here and I'll show you what the car is. There you go. Here's the car. It is a, I want to say it's a AP2 S2000. It has AP2 headlights, AP2 tail lights, but it's on AP1 wheels. Interior is pretty much gutted out of it. It's got the drive shaft, literally like no dash. Yes, it did snow, so it's gonna be fun trying to dig this thing. It's got an AP2 rear bumper, so the tail lights. Oh man, the lens cracked on it. So definitely won't be able to use that one. This one isn't too bad. There's a little crack right here. Might be able to get new lenses, who knows. But yeah, no trunk, so guy has a bunch of stuff in here. So just gonna take all the stuff that I don't need out, which is like literally everything, and then whatever I can use will just get thrown into the back of the truck. Yeah, like I said, I'm still waiting on the guy. I'm on like a time crunch because the dolly that I rented it needs returned before they close today, so that I don't get charged extra for like extra days. So I'm trying to get back by like before 1 o'clock. Right now it's like 7:30. It's a 2.5 hour drive back home. Still gotta stop for gas. So I'm looking the car over now. Yeah, just looking it over, making sure it is what it is. I mean, it's a shell. I'll kind of give a backstory later once like I'm all settled in and try to give a full story in another video if everyone's interested in that. But if you follow my social media, you will know what happened. But if not, you guys are interested, I'll put another video up explaining everything of why I'm picking this chassis up, and you know, like maybe just talk about like some goals, because this chassis is pretty straight. So who knows? All right, stay tuned. We're gonna be loading up here whenever the guy gets here, and then back home. All right. All right, we're all loaded up. Gonna try to attempt this drive home. It's 2.5 hours back. My biggest thing is, I don't know if the steering's locked or not, so I have them cranked down as like hard as I can so that it doesn't like pivot. I don't think it will. It's pretty short wheelbase. Also, the axles are still attached. There's no differential in it, so the like input part of the axles are just dangling in there. So hopefully, I mean, they're not like hitting the ground or anything. If anything, they'll just like kind of slap against the chassis if they bounce. But yeah, took everything out of the car so that nothing's able to fly. These things are attached by the seatbelt, so I'm not too worried about that. Actually, probably do something with that later. But yeah, all loaded up. I left this on just so that it doesn't go flying away or something. Yeah, we're all set to go. So I'll catch up with you guys once we're home and unloaded. All right, what's up, guys? Made it back home. One piece. The car is in one piece. Surprisingly, I was not expecting that to be as smooth as it was. Yeah, not much to say about it. I'm pretty sure this is a AP2. Can't really tell because VINs are gone and dash is gone. So, oh, actually, let's see if I can open the hood. Let's see here. Can't even find the hood latch. So like, oh, it's right here. Hood latch still works. Let's see, I think it is, I want to say it's an AP2 for the most part. Yeah, I don't have a hood prop for that. But yeah, let me turn this around and show you guys the car and walk through it a little bit. Yeah, so here she is back at home. What makes me think that it's an AP2 instead of AP1? It's got AP2 headlights. They had put like some dumb film on it. I hate this film, and like they did a really shitty job. What also makes me think it's AP2, they put pretty much the whole back end's AP2. You know, the taillights, the bumper. Of course, there's no VINs on anything here. The guy said that it might have been a car from like a paint shop, so it might have been like a little project thing, but they painted over like everything, so can't really tell much of anything. I want to say the car was originally silver because the whole inside of the car is silver, but I mean, who knows. yeah, the reason why I got this, okay. The reason why I got this car was so I can fix my car. Because if you're not following my social media, YouTube, I haven't posted anything on YouTube for a while, but my social media, I wrecked the car. Not purposely, but I was involved in an accident, which pretty much totaled my car. I'll do another video kind of walking through my car and all the damage and stuff like that, but short story, like a lady pulled out in front of me and couldn't do anything, and pretty much swerved out of the way and hit a tree. And the whole passenger side of my car is like pretty destroyed, you could say. But yeah, so the reason for this car, this black one, is so I could pull the parts off, like the apron and whatever control arms and subframe, steering rack, all those like miscellaneous parts, and fix mine so that I can drive my car again. But I got a long project, a long list that I want to do with that car, because now that it's technically in our title, I bought it back from insurance. I want to like prolong the life of this car, and I want to pretty much build it to what I want to build. So it's going to be a long build process. So look forward for that. It's going to be plenty of episodes. Not only going to be about, you know, that build, but, you know, I got a bunch of other stuff, you know, planned up ahead too. But the S1000 is going to be, you know, a long build. So this is just the first step into rebuilding my car. But yeah, sorry if I'm talking a lot, but mostly just an explanation. And probably the next video or whatever is just going to be more explanations and walkthroughs of my car, my personal car, just to kind of give you guys a rundown of what happened and, you know, this and that. But yeah, car's home, one piece. It's got a good bit of aftermarket parts on it. I mean, then again, I can't really use it. It's got drilled in slotted rotors. It's sitting on AP1 wheels, so I guess these are just like some junk wheels that they just threw on so they can roll it. I still have the dry shaft, but I don't know if that's good or not, so who knows. Yeah, there's not much in here. They definitely had a sound system, because you can tell right here is a bunch of like speaker wire, and then you got your, you know, power wire, and, you know, so they had like a sound system in here, like probably like what I have in my car is like a, you know, subwoofer built in with the box here. But yeah, they definitely had some rust issues. This was sitting in a field, I don't know for how long, but me, honestly, I don't really care about rust, because my plans for this car is just cut it up, right? Cut it up, fix my personal car, and then if my buddy is up for it, he's gonna possibly help me, maybe if I want to put the time and money into it, pretty much tube front the front end of the car, and you know, possibly make this thing a track car, because it's a perfect candidate. You know, body's pretty much straight. Put a fuel cell in the back, you know, who knows, because the trunk's pretty much cut out for it, and I always wanted a drift car, so who knows, this might actually turn into like another project car, who knows. But I definitely want those apron parts to fix my personal car. Also, this thing does have some like lowering springs on it. The springs are like red, and I want to say that this car was turbo at some point, because it's got like AN lines. Right here, you see the purple fitting? It's got AN lines, and I'm guessing it goes to the fuel rail or like the hard lines down there. So this car was potentially like boosted at some point of its life, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. After looking at it a little bit, it doesn't seem like it's 100% straight. If you look at these welds here, those welds are not original. Someone tampered with that. And then not only that, but these welds are original. So hopefully I didn't buy a fucking dud. But it definitely has parts that I need. Steering rack, front subframe. Hopefully the steering rack's okay. You know, control arms, of course. But yeah, there she is. Hood's definitely cut out for, you know, boosted cars usually do these cutouts just for ventilation, because, you know, F20s, the exhaust manifolds on this side, turbos usually sit like right here, and they dump the wastegates out the big part. But yeah, here she is. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this video. It's cold. I was up stupid early. Woke up at like about 2:30. I left here about 3:30. It was a 2.5 hour drive there. Waited for the guy about like, I don't even know, like an hour. Told the guy what time I was gonna meet him up at, and I show up to his place, not there, not answering his phone. Wasted a lot of my time, and I was on a time crunch because I needed to return the dolly that I had rented, which I had actually just got done doing that before I started this video. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on too long, so stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a long haul. Definitely gonna be a lot of work. Got a lot of work cut out for me. Hopefully this car is not a dud. Really hope not, because I spent, you know, decent money that can't be returned. So yeah, that's gonna be it for now. So peace out. Stay tuned for more, and make sure to follow my Instagram and, you know, Facebook, all social medias, and subscribe. Hit the like button, comment down below. All right, let me know what you guys want to see. I got a couple projects lined up, so all right, peace.